Hi everyone. Let us start with algebra exercise 3.3 and question number 12. Check if x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of a rectangle whose area. So then using factor theorem. Okay, one word is there. You have got factor theorem. First of all, let's see what is a factor theorem. So as per the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. Which means if x minus 5 is a factor of p of x, you can equate your x minus 5 is equal to 0 and get your x is equal to 5. Then what you can do is you can find the p of 5. P of 5 will be equal to 0. So this is the factor theorem, which means there is a conclusion like if x minus 5 is a factor of p of x, then p of 5 is equal to 0. One more thing, you can say the reverse also. If p of 5 is equal to 0, then x minus 5 is a factor of the polynomial p of x. If you verify this and you can just say this is a factor. This is what you are going to do. You are going to check whether this is a some given x minus 5 or x minus 4 is a factor of your polynomial p of x. So let's move on to this question. First of all, we have to understand our question. They didn't give directly like verify these are factors. They asked verify these are sides. So what is area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is equal to side into side, which is your length into your breadth. So if you put, just suppose if you put area as 12, your length can either be a 4 into 3 and or else your length and breadth can either be a 6 into 2 and your length can either be a 12 into 1. So what do you observe from here? The observation is these numbers 3, 2, 1, 12, 6 and 4. All these are factors of 12. So this is what we are going to do here. So in our question, what is given is we are given p of x is equal to this. Let's take this as the p of x. This is the area, right? So area of a rectangle. If this is the area and what is given in your question is you have to verify these two are the sides x plus 2 and x minus 4. X plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of the rectangle, which means your area is x square minus 2x minus 8, which is equal to, like I here said, area is equal to side into side, which means x plus 2 into x minus 4, which implicitly says like these two are factors. So in order to say these two are sides of a rectangle of area this, you can simply say if these are factors of this rectangle, factors of this polynomial p of x, that is enough. So the quick understanding from here is if you want to say x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of the rectangle of area this, you just simply say these two are factors of this polynomial p of x, this polynomial. So that is enough. So by using factor theorem, we are going to verify whether x plus 2 and x minus 4 are factors of p of x. If it is yes, then obviously they will be a sides of the rectangle of area x square minus 2x minus 8. So let's move on and find out. So x plus 2. How will you say x plus 2 is a factor of p of x? Yes, you just have to equate this to 0, which means x is equal to minus 2. And if you are able to prove p of minus 2 is equal to 0, then your x plus 2 is a factor. So let's start doing that. P of minus 2. So p of minus 2 means we want to know our p value. So p of x is equal to x square minus 2x and minus 8, right? So p of minus 2 means instead of x, put your value as minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square, minus 2 into all where you have got x, put as minus 2, minus 8. So now this will be equal to minus 2 into minus 2. What is minus 2 into minus 2? This will be equal to minus into minus will be a plus. 2 into 2 is a 4. So minus 2 into minus 2 the whole square is 4. Now again, what you have got here? Minus into minus. So that will be a plus. And 2 into 2 the same way, right? As we did here, 4. and this minus 8, write it as such. The next step will be 4 plus 4 is 8. So equal to 8 minus of 8, which is equal to a 0. So what we have got here is your P of minus 2 is equal to a 0. And now how you can conclude is if P of minus 2 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is a factor by factor theorem. Okay, x plus 2 is a factor of P of x, which again implies, so which from which you can say x plus 2 is a side of the polynomial which has an area of P of x. So x plus 2 is the side. One is verified. Let us move on to the next part. Next is same as this. You have to do the same for the other side also. So now what we have to do is you have to say x minus 4 is a factor of P of x. So x minus 4 equated to 0, which you get x is equal to 4. To get x is equal to 4, then what you have to do? So we have to check your P of 4 whether it is equal to 0 or not. So P of 4, how will you write your P of 4? I am taking the P of x from here. So P of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 8. In all pair of x put 4. So 4 square minus 2 into 4 minus of 8. So that will be equal to 4 4s are 16 minus 4 2s are 8 and minus 8. Minus 8 and minus 8 will become minus 16 again and you will get your 0. So now you have got your P of 4 is equal to a 0, which means the same conclusion like here. Your x minus 4 is a factor of P of x, which means your x minus 4 is the side of your rectangle. So both are here true. This is also true and that is also true, which means both are the sides of the rectangle of area this. Hope you understood this question. Thanks for watching.